Hello everyone, I am Nisarga. Now I will presenting the topic ethical issues in marketing. Let's we see the meaning. Marketing ethics is an area of applied ethics which deals with the moral principles behind the operations and the regulations of marketing. Ethical issues in marketing arise from the conflict of interest among the parties doing business with each other. Each party has its own expectations on how the business relationship is supposed to be. Marketing ethics is an area that deals with the moral principles behind marketing. Ethical marketing refers to an application of a marketing ethics into a marketing process. Marketing ethics has a potential to benefit the society as a whole, both in the short and the long run. Next is the frameworks used in the analysis of marketing ethics. First one is value oriented framework. This framework analyzes ethical issues in marketing on the values on which they emphasize, for example, responsibility, respect, honesty, and so on. Next, second one is process oriented framework. This framework analyzes ethical issue in the term of processes or categories used by the marketer. For example, market research, price. Next one is a stakeholder oriented framework. This framework analyzes ethical issue on the basis of who affected by them. For example, the society, consumer, environment, competitors, and so on. Next one is ethical issues in some of the area of marketing. First one is market research. Ethical issues in marketing research include privacy and stereotyping. The privacy issue can be viewed in two major ways. First one is free market and consumer protection. First, in the free market view, business are allowed to act as they wish. However, it is expected that the consumers have the knowledge to know when their privacy is infringed and stop doing business with the businesses that infringe their privacy. Next is a consumer protection. Consumer protection, on the other hand, assumes that the consumers may not have the knowledge or the time to discern that their privacy has been infringed. Hence, there are regulatory bodies or the government itself that puts measures to protect consumers and punishes businesses that infringe customer privacy. Next one is a pricing. Pricing is a valuing of a product. Some of the ethical issues that may arise during pricing are: first one is bid rigging. Bid rigging is when the contract has already been given to one party, but other parties are invited to bid just for formality purpose. This once more for a proposal, but bid rigging involves promising a commercial contract to one group, even though you make it look like multiple parties had opportunity to submit a bid. Next one is predatory pricing. Predatory pricing is when an organization sets its prices too low with the intent of driving out the competitors or a marketing it difficult for a new supplier to enter the market. So it occurs when a company drastically lower their price to make it impossible for a competitor to remain in the market. Next one is a dumping. Dumping is a form of a predatory pricing where the foreign countries export their product at a very low price as compared to the prices prevailing in the domestic countries. So dumping is the act of selling the goods in foreign countries at the price often below that of a domestic market price. Next one is a price discrimination. Different prices are charged for the same quality and the quantity of a product. It majorly depends on the willingness and the ability of the customer to pay. The practice of selling the same product at the different prices in the different market. Next one is a price gouging. Price gouging is the selling of a product at the very high price which is unreasonable or unfair altogether. For example, during a war, the price of commodity may become very expensive due to the high demand and the low supply. Pricing gouging is where the seller increases the price of their goods or services to a level considered unreasonable and unfair. Next one is advertising and the promotion. The following are the some of the ethical issues in advertising and the promotion. First one is honesty. An advertiser who fails to tell the people the truth about their product breaks the law and goes against the moral standards. For example, in 1940s and 1950s, tobacco was advertised to be a good for one's health. Next, second one is a negative advertising. This is where the advertiser highlights the shortcoming of their competitor rather than highlights their advantages to their audience. Negative advertising is commonly used in political campaigns. Fake reviews. Sometimes may make a fake positive reviews for their product. For example, the reviews may be published on sites like Amazon.com or in auction site like eBay.com. Next one is guidelines that an organization may adopt in order to be ethical in its marketing practices. First one is take responsibility. First and the foremost, an organization should be able to take a responsibility for its action. The organization should make sure that any marketing decisions and the actions meet the customer's needs and are able to satisfy them. In addition to this, these marketing decisions and the actions should also cater to the broader needs of society. The responsibility also extends to the employees and the other organizations that the firm deals with, the like supplier or the dealer agencies. The organization should not choose to encourage unethical behavior in terms of any these stakeholders. Next one is recognize the customer rights. First, any organization has specific duties towards its customer. The customer should be able to expect that the product and services they intended to use are fit accordingly. The communications regarding the product or services should not be deceptive. The organization should intended to work in good faith. Next one is balance the customer interest with the marketing needs. Marketing has a number of objectives ranging from providing information about the product or a service, uh, stimulating the demand and boosting the sale, empathizing the product value and differentiating the product from those of a competitor. Hence, it may get the difficult from an organization to strike a balance between these objectives of marketing with the ethical commitment to the customer for providing the honest, clear, and unbiased information. The situation may be agreed if business conditions are not good. However, the organization should focus on the long-term benefit in the term of better branding and customer loyalty while taking decisions on the ethical issues. Next one is be environment friendly. Green issues have come to promise and have become a major point of concern in the recent time. Several organizations have made changes in their model in order to be environment friendly. So, have even adopted the special practices to give back to the environment. Next one is the importance of a corporate social responsibility. Conventionally, customers are primarily influenced by the product or a service feature, price, and availability while making a choice about the product or a services. However, with a growing concern about the sustainable practices, environment friendliness and the social responsibility, there is one or more dimension that has started influencing the customer decisions. These dimensions is policies a company adopt for its product and services. Next one is a product design and development. The organization needs to consider how the product will be produced, that is, the method of manufacturing, materials, and other resources to be used in the production. The company should assess whether all these things, including the production process, are safe or they have any impact on the society or environment. Next one is a pricing. The prices of the product or a service should provide value to customer. It should not necessarily be the lowest price on the market. However, the company should be able to convey the value to the customers that they are getting for the price they pay. Next one is packing and labeling. Packing has an important role in the term of a brand identifying and it is very critical for sale. However, there are growing concern with regarding to package due to the environmental impact of the discarded packaging. The organization should also ensure that the labeling provide the clear information regarding the use of the products. If there are some potential health or a safety hazards associated with the product, they should be clearly brought to notice of the customer through means of labeling. Next one is a distribution. In terms of a distribution, the organization should make sure that the products are freely accessible to the customer without any discrimination. Example of geographics. If the business is heavily dependent upon the retailing, uh, there may be another set of ethical issue that may arise. With a growing concentration of a retail business, retailers have gained considerable power to exert influence over the customers as well as the suppliers. The retailer may get involved in unethical practices like stocking product for only some of the companies who pay them more margins. All these issues should be tackled carefully and the power of influences should be divided carefully. Thank you.